Hi friends, let me show you this Instant Pot new unit that I bought for my kitchen. It's a 9-in-1 unit. It has 9 different cooking functions that I think it's great. As you can see, you get all these options in the front panel. Pressure cook, soup or broth, cake, egg, slow cook, sauté, rice, bean and chili, porride and oat milk, sterilizer, yogurt, and sauce bite. Okay, you can change the temperature, the time, and well, we are going to try it. You get a starting use guide with all the instructions and even some cooking tips. Okay, this is the steam release valve. Okay, for pressure cooking options. Has this sealant here. You get, of course, different cooking accessories depending on what kind of option you are going to use, what you're cooking. Okay. Like this also. And this is the main cooking pan. Okay, 6/4. And well, this is the full unit here, okay? This is aimed to get some of the steam that goes down here so it won't spill around. You get it here. And it's a nice sized unit. We are going to try it with some cooking options. Let's do it.
Okay guys, to test it out, we're gonna make some food for our dogs. It's gonna be a stew for them, which I think that's gonna be perfect to test this out. We are gonna use some already minced meat, which I think that it's nice. We are also gonna use a carrot, a potato, and a zucchini. First of all, we're gonna peel all of our vegetables so we can dice them and place them upon the pot. So let's go. Once that we have already all the items ready, we're gonna go ahead and place them up on the pot. As I've said, we're gonna go ahead and add a couple of cups of water so it gets to the perfect temperature, and we're gonna go ahead and close the lid, making sure that it's perfectly sealed and tight so it doesn't happen an accident. We are gonna go ahead and place the power cord into its proper port and take it out and connect it upon the electrical outlet so it turns on. Okay, now that we have it right here, we can select the mode. We're gonna use the pressure cook option, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up for a total of 15 minutes. Okay, now that it's on, it will first start to preheat and get to the perfect temperature to use on the pressure cooking. That's why it doesn't show the number of the timer right now, because it's just preheating. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and wait a little bit so it finish preheating and it starts cooking the meal. Once the proper cooking process starts, the timer will go down. Depending on the time that you place it on, it will go for that amount of time. And what I think that it's nice is that once that it's over the timer, it will start the keep warm process, which we can leave over the counter while we do any kind of other things, or we can let the pressure and the steam of the unit gets out. Okay, we can also do it manually, the steam release, by opening the steam release slider, and once that we have it open, it will start the steam getting out. As you can see, we have this metal bulb popping up. That's means that the steam is releasing, and once that it goes down, all the steam will be already released, and now we can open it up. And just like that, in just a little bit of time, we have a really nice food for our dogs ready. You can use it to cook any kind of meal that you wanted in it for your entire family. It has a really nice capacity tank, and now we can just serve up the boys. We could serve them upon their bowls in any kind of dish that we have at hand, or we can even store it for later. As it is a high capacity tank, we can make a lot of food, which I think that it's perfect. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and we will really recommend it.